high tree, but that was hard climb. Yeah, today I'm going to show you about cute, little, adorable, lovable little birds. Yeah, and right in front of me is a bird's nest, and in the nest are 3 eggs. Yeah, and very soon, very, very soon, I think these little eggs are going to hatch. Yeah, let's watch carefully, okay? I think I hear one. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's 2. Oh, there's 3. Oh, dear. Oh, no. No, wait, no, wait. No, I'm not your mommy. I just up here just to tell everybody about your bird. I'm not your... Oh, here comes the mommy bird. Okay.
Oh, my babies have hatched. I'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and you're the cutest little bird of all. I have a nice juicy worm for you.
No,
Open your mouth.
I'm not a little bird. I'm a monster. I don't live here. I don't want a worm. No, I do not like worms.
Well, I'll leave it there for when you're hungry.
I will never get hungry for a worm.
Now it's time for our flying lesson.
Oh, wait, I do not fly. No, I am not your mommy. Your mommy is right here. I'm not your
Flap
mommy.
your wings.
I'm not your little birdie. I cannot fly.
Come on, flappy, flap,
I am
flap.
not your mommy.
Flap your wings.
Yes, ma'am. Remember what I said about birdies being cute and adorable and lovable? Well, forget it.